Hello there. It's me MD. Here in Everything PS. Today, we are in a new Adobe InDesign tutorial. Do you want to know how to change font and font size in Adobe InDesign? Then you are in the right place to be. Now, let's start our tutorial. For this tutorial, if you want to follow along with me, I am working with InDesign project file, basic formatting. You will find this project file with the media associated with this tutorial. You can download the project file from the link down below in the description box. After downloading the project file, just double-click on it to open it in Adobe InDesign. Adobe InDesign offers a lot of ways to format text in your documents. In this project you apply basic formatting options, like font, size, and color, to text using the Properties panel. The text on this business card needs some formatting changes. A different font, and a smaller font size, so it fits in the text frame. This red plus down here means some of the text doesn't fit the frame. Also, you may make a few other changes. So first, select the Type tool in the Tools panel on the left, and you will notice the keyboard shortcut for it is T on your keyboard. And click in the Text Studio iconic. To select all the text in the text frame, choose Edit. Select all. Or you can use a keyboard shortcut for this. In Windows, Ctrl A, and in Mac OS, Command A. Text formatting can be found in the Properties panel, to the right of the document. There are a lot of text formatting options you can experiment with, including font, font style, font size, leading, which is the vertical space between lines of text, and more. To change the font size of the selected text, choose 8 from the font size menu here. Now you'll apply some formatting to adjust the studio iconic text. So move the pointer to the right side of the text. Press and drag to the left to selected. Only the selected characters will reflect the formatting changes you are making. So make sure you select all of the characters in both words. To make the text all capitals, click More Options here. In the Character section of the Properties panel, so you can see some more formatting options. Click the All Caps button to apply all capitals. You'll see a series of options here, like small caps, underline, strike through, and more. That was how to apply some text formatting to the text on the right. So select the Selection tool in the Tools panel on the left, and click to select this text frame with the text Odin Quest in it. If all the text in the text frame needs the same formatting applied, you can simply select the text frame with the Selection tool and apply the formatting. To change the font size of the text, choose 8 from the Font Size menu in the Properties panel. Now, you want to change the default font of Minion Pro for this text in the Properties panel. Click the Font Family menu. You should see the selected text that begins with Odin Quest is showing its sample text. Sample text lets you easily preview a font. You can choose from the list of fonts in your machine, like you see here. But you can also browse Adobe fonts from the thousands available with your membership. To see the Adobe fonts, click Find More in the Font Family menu. Here you can sort the fonts based on properties like serif and sans serif or different weight fonts. By clicking here, we'll just choose a font from the list, so you can press Escape to hide the options. You can then choose a font, so scroll all the way down in the font list and find LMT. Click the arrow here to see the font styles. And now, let's see how to change the font color. Go to Select the Type tool in the Tools panel on the left, or you can press T on your keyboard and click and drag to select the words Odin Quest. To apply the effect on it only, then click on Fill in the Appearance section in the Properties panel on the right. And I think this color looks nice. I will click on it. Then press Escape to hide the options. Now, let's see the final result. Select the Selection tool from the Tools panel on the left, or press B on your keyboard. And click here in an empty area to make sure nothing is selected. Here it is. Awesome. InDesign offers a lot of powerful text formatting options. From for many heading types to fine-tuning the appearance of body, copying a book, you can now format your own text according to each design's unique needs. Here we go. We are done for today. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment down below in the comments section. See you next time on a new tutorial. Stay tuned. Goodbye, my friend.